Welcome guys, today I am with Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus and I want to show you camera tricks. So at first, when we are in the camera application, we can use the zoom presets in a different way. So normally you can go for the ultra wide lens, and that's the macro lens. But when you click on already selected preset, you will get more of the presets. You will get 4x, 6, 8, and also the 10x. And by the way, that's the maximum zoom range in this phone. And as you can see, we got also this slider, and with this slider we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. Another tip will be about the brightness adjustment. So we can just move this sun icon like that, and you will increase or decrease the brightness level. To make it automatically, you can just tap on the screen. In this place you can find the volume buttons, and we can use the volume up to get 2 seconds of the shutter delay. It works the same for the volume down button. You can also click and hold this shutter to record short video to the 15 seconds. And when you move right here, we will find filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. Just take a look on the preview. So if you want to take a photo, for example, with this one, select, click on the shutter, and as you can see, the photo was taken. To get rid of that, just open it for another time and select normal. Right now we can smoothly move for more modes, where we can find, for example, this 108 megapixel mode. This mode allows us to get more details on the photo. So for example, we can take photo with this old cell phone, we can focus on it, and we're gonna make the comparison with the normal mode. So let's try to check it, how it looks. So as you can see, this photo was taken with the normal mode and the quality is really good, as you can see. But when we move for this additional mode, for this one, you will be surprised how many details we can find right here. That's definitely more details. Take a look how close we can zoom in. So that's also very good to make crop from the photos. Just take a look. That's impressive actually. You cannot go that far, that close on this normal mode. Okay, and I think that right now I'm gonna show you the additional mode that you have to download. So as you can see, it looks the same like for the long exposure, panorama or short video. It's grayed out. So to download, you can just tap on it, and of course you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data. As you can see, after a few seconds this mode is available, but I'm talking about the vlog mode. So when you enter, as you can see right here, we can find different presets, and you can just open, for example, this one, click right here, and then just keep tapping on this shutter. There is different angles. There's also the music theme, and you can just keep tapping until this line will be fully on the white. You can then just tap right here to save it. And I'm going to show you, of course, the mine video. And with my friend outside, it looks definitely better with a person. So take a look. Okay, so don't ask me why at the end of this video I just try to go below and show his legs. Never mind, but yeah, that's how it looks. The phone just that's all made by this intelligent sensor. Then you can find this camera. They just make it automatically. You don't have to use any external program application like Sony Vegas or something like that. You have just to tap on the shutter and everything will be automatically adjusted. So yeah, the last thing, let's open the settings and I'm going to show you how you can change the volume buttons function. As you can see, currently is set up for the shutter countdown, but you can also use it as a zoom. So we can zoom in and zoom out by pressing the volume up and down buttons. So that's all for the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.